An Oromo family ponders their new reality. Local authorities asked members of this community from eastern Ethiopia to leave following the September violence that killed tens of people. Women and children have also been evacuated to camps, but the Oromo and Somali people who clashed had lived together for years. It's been a week since they arrived.
I saw many corpses with my own eyes and went to the Ethiopian army camp for protection, and I stayed there for 17 days. And then they took us to Hara City. They came here. It's been 4 days since I arrived.
We are targeted because we are Oromo. Other Ethiopian ethnic groups are working without problems, but we are being killed, robbed, and our property looted. We have fled to save our lives. The people you see here are just Oromos. This conflict is blamed on the Ethiopian system of governance called ethnic federalism that divided communities in 1995, giving them relative autonomy. A police unit in the Somali region of Liu has been pointed at for human rights abuses, and the UN reports 43,000 inhabitants have fled their homes.